So if you also want to add your YouTube link to your Instagram bio, make sure to watch this video until the end. I'll show you a trick that, when someone taps on your link, it will take them directly to YouTube. First, copy your YouTube link. Then go to this website called Open an App. On the website, go to Continue on Web and complete the sign up. Then, click on Create Smart Link and paste your link. Click on Generate Link. You'll get a new link. Copy it and go to Instagram. In your profile, you'll see the Edit option. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the Add Link option. Tap on it. Paste the link and save it. Now, click on your link in the bio, and you'll see it takes you directly to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.